And I just quickly want to close my door so that we're not interrupted by anybody, because my nephew and um, uh, what's the female part of nephew? I always forget. Or here, but you understand. Let's go. Let's go for some mantras. Today we're singing the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, so if you like to join, come to a wonderful sit, either up in a chair or down on the floor. If you're sitting down on the floor, make sure you sit up on something so you can have a straight back. Get long from your hips to your head. And you see the mantra is quite long, but don't worry about it. I will guide you through it. I will guide you through it. Oops, that was the wrong button. Let me come a little bit to the side, you know, so that you can easily read the mantra. Good, okay, like that. So this is the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. And let me tell you what it's about, or the meaning. The meaning of it is letting go of things that are not serving you anymore. So letting things die that are not serving you anymore. And this is very personal, this is individual for you. You can think about something, or maybe you don't think about something. It's also about connecting to death. Hey, Waffleburger, how are you doing? Yeah, Waffle, I really didn't want to go too long today. I really didn't felt great in the morning, so I was just doing a little mantra right now. Usually we're doing yoga lesson. No, I didn't just didn't just wake up. I was already outside. I walked a little bit and everything. But yeah, hey, so good to have you, Waffle. So good to have you, Waffle. But usually we're in the morning, you know, doing yoga. And sorry that we haven't done that today. I just needed to take care of myself. I really need to get back into my sleeping schedule. I didn't know, I drank some coffee. Maybe that's it, you know. I think I can't drink coffee anymore. It's just like I was all the night awake, just wide awake. Very emotional and yeah, annoying. But it would be great to see you on Saturday, Waffle, if you're in there, and maybe in some other yoga lessons. Thank you so much for coming in, Waffle. How is your day going, by the way? How is your day going? And you guys, yeah, this is the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. Yeah, it's a little bit mantra day, you know. And it's about letting go. I'm just explaining the meaning again. Letting go, connecting with death. Letting go of things that are not serving you anymore. Connecting with death. And it's the ultimate healing mantra. So if you have something, maybe join in. Or if you have something that is connected to that, think about joining in. And again, it's about maybe if that feels uncomfortable for you to join in, try it out. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you. But you're very welcome. So good. There's also a vibration that travels throughout your body, and you will feel, wow, it feels very, if I'm talking, I feel something in my ear. It feels annoying. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. You feel maybe the vibrations from your voice going throughout your body as we're singing, and then just connect with that vibration as well. So not really just started yet, but I have the day off, so planning to game all night. Oh, all right, Waffle. What are you playing? Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Let's go. If you like to join, we're starting right now. Sing after me. Om Triambakam. Now repeat. Om Triambakam Yajamai Yajamai Sugandhim Sugandhim Pushti Pushti Vardhanam Vardhanam Urvaru Urvaru Kamiva Kamiva Bandhanan Bandhanan Mrityur Mrityur Mukshi Mukshi Amamritat Amamritat Om Triambakam Om Triambakam Yajamae Yajamae Sugandhim Sugandhim Pushti Pushti Vardhanam Vardhanam Urvaru Urvaru Kamiva Kamiva Bandhanan Bandhanan Mrityur Mrityur Mukshi Mukshi Amamritat Amamritat. We'll take a little bit more together. Again, repeat after me. Om Triambakam Yajamae Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat. All together, sing together with me. Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamritat Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Prechur mukshiyamamritat. Last time. Om Triambakam Yajamae Sugandim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Prechur mukshiyamamritat. Bring your hands in front of your heart together. Bow your head in front of your heart. Check in with how your body feels right now. Release your arms and open your eyes again. Hey Parkstu! Hi Marcel, hope you're good. Just thought I would jump in like you did my stream the other night and say I appreciate your following. Hey Parkstu, I appreciate that. Appreciate that. How are you doing today? So, dear friends, thank you so much for being here. So how is your day going? First of all, Parkstu. And yeah, you guys, I'm usually here streaming yoga every day. Today we did just some mantra practice right now. Again, you can just listen into how that feels to you right now. What's going on, without really judging, without really thinking about it, just feeling. And yeah, we're doing that every day, connecting to our body, with a physical practice, and with a little bit of mantra singing, with breathing practice, and then meditation. So if you like to join in a day or another, feel free to do that. And yeah, dear friends, today we're doing something else slightly, because I really felt very, very bad this night. And I feel the need to tidy up my room a little bit, and I like to invite you along to the journey of like me tidying up the room. It sounds a little bit strange, but I like to show a little bit behind the scenes in here and there. So I'm going to change right now the title to the behind the scenes, or like tidying up. That's called tidying up. And first task is like the whiteboard. It's completely full with stuff. And I need to clean it up. I need to order my thoughts there. So it's a little bit more condensed, because right now it's all over the place. And it's really stressful to me to see it like lying around there. I have a book lying around here, another book there, and I have some papers lying around here that I need to order. And I invite you on the journey if you like to join in, right? Oh wait, I don't want to do that. Let's just leave that like that. And we're not going for too long, but for a little bit, So I'm going to grab that camera there. It's going to be